Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, and today I'm doing this cute little wobbly kitten. Just want to get the general shapes in here. Feel it out as I go. Get all those paws under there. And I might move things along a little, move something over a bit. But for now I'm just getting the main idea, and I'll tweak it as I go. Focusing on shapes and angles here more than anything, and the bigger picture, not worrying about details at this stage. My kitten ended up a little bit fatter than I expected, but that's okay. I just kind of let it be what it is. You really got to let your drawing be what it is and not worry about perfection. It's those little imperfections that add the character, and you can really play them up too to play the character up. Just get some spots for eyes in there, get those eyes in. Going at 2.5 times the speed here, and I'm going to move up to 4 times pretty quick here. So we'll get through it quicker. I'll fix that up a bit. There we go, I like that better. Kittens definitely have different looking eyes than adult cats. Very round and tiny. I like to darken up around the edges of the eyes because I really like the eyes to be the focal point, to really stand out, because cats do have such appealing, noticeable eyes. I'm just reshaping that leg there. This one's got to be moved over a bit. Just kind of making Kitty do the splits a little bit too much. And this one kind of, makes it look like the kitty's legs are going out from under. So it's all part of that wobbly kitten look. Just really careful which lines I'm darkening up, because less is more, and I don't want to overdo it and have too many details to lead the viewer's eye away from the focal point. Got to really think about what's important and what can be just kind of left out or minimalized. Oh, doesn't that come to life now, hey? And that classic tabby M. I just like to get a really impressionistic look of tabby markings in. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn about drawing cats, or tell me about yourself, where you live in the world. Tell me your cat's name, whatever. I just love to hear from you. I just give suggestions of toes, and I don't worry about them looking exactly like in the photograph. I kind of just get them in quickly and move along. Just that suggestion. Really play up that little smirk. I love to get a smirk on my kitties. I have done this one before quite a while ago, but I knew I could improve on it, and I came across the photo again, so I couldn't resist but do it again. Thank you so much for watching today. I often soften up the whiskers and some of those wiggle lines too after I do them, because sometimes they're just a little bit too harsh. And the eraser is great for softening things up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.